One of my most important jobs as a money manager was to understand whether I was hot or cold.
The 21st century is going to be the century of China, whether we like it or not.
The tightening that the Fed has undertaken is starting to bite.
I've coined this phrase that price is a liar.
Greed is powerful and fear is stronger than greed, but there's one thing that's even bigger than those two, which is need. If you need to, you really don't have any choice.
I own gold personally for reasons of fear, not greed.
Two rivers that are running side by side, and we can conflate them. They don't need to be conflated. One is digitalization. That's happening. And one is blockchain.
In venture, the most valuable words are, it will rot your brain. Because every time a parent utters those words, it basically presages the next $10 billion industry.
It's easy to maintain a conviction. It's harder to maintain investors.
If you think about the global cannabis industry being a $100 billion, $200 billion plus opportunity, there's certainly the ability for entrepreneurs and new business owners to really mint millionaires in this industry, but also probably billionaires in this industry.
As you can see, I'm in India. I've come back after 7 years to come and see on the ground what's really going on. For me, I think it's one of the biggest opportunities in the world. But as I said, we need to find balance because there is negativity. It's not just a pure bullish story.
New Age beverage now just went into a bullish phase, which means it's trading above the 50-day moving average. That's the best scenario, outperforming the market in a positive phase in an industry that's a mega trend that's definitely going to grow.
The thing with Fannie is that it's been trading as an option for 10 years. But the real trade is the government's plan. Just looking at what's happened over the last year and who the players are in the administration, we really believe that this is a positive story.
I've never seen a case that really fits this complexity.
In terms of decline from their peak, I don't think I've seen anything quite like this.
Ya basta, ya estamos cansados de que nos manipule, de que los niños pasen hambre, de que los niños tengan que buscar la comida en los containers de basura.
I don't think equities are going higher because things are good. I actually think equities are going higher because things are bad.
Many of the base internet protocols were developed without security in mind. Domain name servers that direct you to the websites you use, the network time protocol that keeps computers in sync, the original HTML protocols that are the basis of the web, they all can be abused. The unfortunate reality is sometimes insecurity is the feature, not the bug.
If we were able to solve all the problems for people with monogenic disease, that's a $2 trillion opportunity. Can you imagine how big the polygenic opportunity is going to be?
When you adequately research something and get something surrounded and get it figured out, you need the courage to stick with it, to lean against the wind when all else are pissing on you, to fight it through.
All these things have happened that have changed how we do business, changed how we lived our lives, changed everything, right? The internet. But what we're going to see with artificial intelligence dwarfs all of that.